Today I want to make it very, very clear that the allegations that are made on me by BJP party and their party people are completely baseless. The allegations will certainly remain an allegations. They have all the agencies in their hands. They can do whatever investigation that is required. We will completely cooperate. But I just want to say it in front of the nation that my leader, Honorable KCR Garu, who is the Chief Minister of Telangana, has been very vocal and has been very sharp in criticizing the policies of Bharatiya Janata Party government. I believe, we believe, and today people of Telangana believe that rattled by the allegations made by Honorable CM, the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to malign the reputation of our family. I just want to say this to the nation today. We are the family of fighters. We fought for Telangana. We were on the streets. We were with the people. We never go back in a fight. Today, if you just want to put us down by throwing some baseless allegations at us, it is just going to remain baseless. Nothing is going to come out of it. Today you are in power. You want to use agencies. You want to use media. You want to use everything possible to curtail the voice of opposition. I am so sorry. You are messing with the wrong people. We are not the people who are going to calm down. We are not the people who are going to step down. We are fighters. Telangana people are known to put up a fight and make sure the fight ends in a prosperous result. Tomorrow we want the country to prosper as Telangana is prospering today, and we will firmly stand on this. I once again state I have nothing to do with the Delhi liquor investigation that is going on. This is a baseless allegation made on me by Bharatiya Janata Party just to make sure they malign the reputation of our family, and I'm so sorry to tell them it is not going to work. Thank you. Jai Telangana.